Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you what kind of audio settings you can find on Zoom. But first I wanted to say that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I will show you my YouTube revenue statistics. So let's start. First go to your Zoom. After that click on the settings, and after that click on the meetings. And here you can see that the first one is auto connect to audio, and you can have two options here: off, which means that you will be automatically connected to audio when you call someone or answer, and the other one is Wi-Fi or cellular data. And after that you have the always mute my microphone option, which is for muting my microphone when joining a meeting. So if you want that, you have to turn that option on. So this is for this video. I hope that it was helpful for you. See you in the next one. Bye bye.